To run. Correr. Correr. Pamela Anderson used to run a lot on the beach. Pamela Anderson corría mucho por la playa. Every morning I go for a run. From the cops. Cada mañana voy a correr. To owe. To have to do something. Deber. Deber. Peter, you owe me $50. Pedro, me debes 50 pavos. To hide. Esconder. Esconder. Zelda is hidden in the castle. Zelda está escondida en el castillo. Venga. To read. Leer. Leer. Every morning I read the newspaper. Cada mañana leo el periódico. To own. To possess. Poseer. Poseer. I owe 2 bottles of milk. Yo qué sé. Yo poseo 2 botellas de leche. A que te enteres, tío. To promise. Prometer. Prometer. I promise I'll be back tomorrow. Te prometo que estaré de vuelta mañana. To surprise. Sorprender. Sorprender. It's Christina's birthday. We should surprise her. Es el cumpleaños de Cristina. Deberíamos sorprenderla. To fear. Temer. Temer. I fear the boogeyman. Temo al boogeyman. To love. Querer. Querer. You can also use amar, but this is the ER Clooney show list. I love sunsets in the morning is not going to work. I love my dog. Quiero mucho a mi perro. Uf. To lose. Perder. Perder. I don't want to lose Cristina. No quiero perder a Cristina. To understand, oh, here he is, again, to understand, besides comprender, here is entender. Entender. I understand you. Te entiendo. I don't understand a word you are saying. No entiendo ni una palabra de lo que me estás diciendo, tío. Pero ni una. To return. Volver. Volver. I'll return next Saturday. Volveré el próximo sábado. To maintain. Mantener. Mantener. I am maintaining my bike. Estoy manteniendo mi moto. Bueno, mi bici. To be born. Nacer. Nacer. My daughter is going to be born very soon. Mi hija va a nacer muy pronto. To suppose. Suponer. Suponer. What is this supposed to mean? ¿Qué supone esto? ¿Pero qué supone esto? Suponer. To recognize. reconocer. Reconocer. Whoa, Pedro, that's been blah, blah. Whoa, Pedro, that's been a while. I don't recognize you. Bueno, Pedro, hace mucho tiempo, ¿eh? No te reconozco. Reconocer. Which brings us to conocer. To know. It's more on a personal level. So, I know María very well. Conozco muy bien a María. That's why when you recognize, reconoces. Muy bien, doctor, muy bien. Oh, esto es un Oscar. Buah, 2, 3. To belong. To belong. Pertenecer. Pertenecer. I belong here. Yo pertenezco aquí. To break. Romper. But we already had this one. To disappear. Desaparecer. 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 I want you to disappear. Quiero que desaparezcas. To answer. To respond. Responder. Responder. Could you please answer my question? ¿Podría, por favor, responder a mi pregunta? Responder. To move. That's an easy one. Mover. Bam. To move, mover. Move out of the way. Muévete del camino. Muévete. A moverse. Fuera de aquí. To know about information, not on a personal level. Saber. Saber. I have all the information. I know everything I need to know. Tengo toda la información. To believe. Creer. Creer. We already had that, blah, blah, blah. We already had this one as well. But we're going to do it again. To believe. Creer. To seem. Parecer. Parecer. It seems it's going to be a beautiful day. Parece que va a ser un día muy bonito. To fall. Caer. Caer. I am dizzy. I am going to fall. Estoy atontado. Me voy a caer.